Hey everybody, this is CNOPS coming up with another project. Well, this one is a bit different from the last project that I did a couple of weeks ago. This project is actually a multi-parter, so I'm gonna do a 4 or 5, maybe 6 videos, and then this project is okay. And I have organized what I'm gonna do, so what I'm gonna say and everything, so it maybe makes sense. And you can know that if you want to watch all these series or not with my training and trying to learn English and Python and everything. So, what are we going to do? We're gonna actually trying to scrape a website. So, in this application, in this project, we're gonna scrape a website. We're gonna save the data in some database, maybe MySQL, and then we're gonna show it in another website that we're going to create. So we're going to actually learn a lot of things. So what is the website that we're going to try and learn? Well, it's this website, the military. It's a Persian military forum that we talk about everything about military, armed forces, and everything. Like, yeah. And what we have in this website is a forum that talks about wars and warmongers in Middle East, like war in Syria and Iraq, Yemen, things that are happening in Turkey, happening in Northern Africa, and every places like that. So these topics, they have like hundreds of thousands of pages. Like this topic about Syria, which is the old one, we have new topic for this. It has 2006 pages, and each page contains something about 15 pages, which is a lot of posts and a lot of data to be scraped and processed. So what we're going to do is we're going to scrape every bit of data from this website and this forum, from this topics. Look at it: Syria, Iraq, Northern Africa, uh, again, second part of Iraq, uh, terrorist actions and happenings and news about Iran. So terrorist actions that are happening in Iran, Saudi Arabia attacking to Yemen, and then second part of the Syrian topic. So we have a lot of data, we have a lot of posts, maybe thousands of posts. So we're gonna scrape all of these data, and it's a bit hard. So we're gonna have a roadmap for us. So what's our roadmap? Uh, we're gonna create a project in the first video, and edit, create a repository online on GitHub so everybody can watch the codes, have the codes, edit them if they want it, and everything they want. In the second part of the videos, we're gonna actually create the first app that crawls the website. We're gonna provide it with a URL or maybe a file containing a list of URLs, and then it's gonna crawl those web pages. The third video would be about us making a project that, and or maybe an application that searches for the posts and then saves the ones that are relevant to our needs. So if you see this topic, it's not all about the news. So maybe some personal thoughts and posts that are not news. So we don't need all of these posts, all of these hundreds of thousands of posts. We need some specific number of them, and I'm gonna say I need posts that are actually sent by specific users, like this user and other guys. So I know who they are, I know how to understand them, how to find them, and I'm gonna use a Python application to find these guys. And that's what's gonna happen in this third or maybe second video. I don't know, maybe I don't use each of these to-do lists in another video. So we're going to do some semantic analysis, and we're going to do natural language processing on Persian language. As you can see, all the posts are in Persian language. We have some Arabic posts, but they have been translated, so we don't need to do anything with them. So all we have is Persian text that is going to be processed. So semantic analysis, natural language processing, and using the Persian language within the Python. It's tricky and it's hard. I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna learn and then do everything. So that may be a good thing. And then another video, we're gonna create a Flask application, and well, through that and using that, we're gonna have to learn HTML, CSS, and maybe JavaScript, some scripts and effects that I want to show on this website. So it's gonna be fun. And then we're gonna publish our website maybe on Heroku or anything else that can do that for us. So we're gonna learn so many things. We're gonna learn scraping web using BS4 and request modules. We're gonna learn how to use databases, and as I said, we may use MySQL or may use SQLite. So we're gonna figure it out later. We're gonna learn semantic analysis using Python. We're gonna learn how to use Git and GitHub. Actually, I know a bit about that, but I'm not a professional, so I'm gonna use this series to gain professional skills. We're gonna use and learn Flask. We're gonna learn how to deploy a Python application, how to wrap it up and get it out of our system. I'm gonna learn English, actually, how to speak English, as I started these videos as one agenda for. I'm gonna learn Emacs. As you can see, I'm using Emacs in my videos and as my IDE, so I'm gonna try to learn Emacs for the best. Then I'm gonna learn how to use Persian data with Python, how to process them and do everything that is needed. I'm gonna use Ubuntu 16.04. I'm gonna use Python 2.7. I'm gonna use Beautiful Soup 4. I'm gonna use request module, and I'm gonna use virtual env. Actually, I'm gonna use I guess I'm gonna use Emacs 24, and I'm gonna actually use yeah, I think that's all. So MySQL we're gonna use, as I said, and maybe I should talk about we're gonna use Flask 2. So that's it. And we're gonna use these projects. We're gonna actually use Git too. So that was why I came over. So we're gonna use Git and GitHub, and we're gonna be okay. So the end note: help me with my English and programming. Wherever you find a problem or error that I make, which are a lot, maybe and probably and definitely, I make a lot of mistakes in both in my programming and speaking English. And you can commit to my project as I uploaded on GitHub, and you can tell me how to edit my code to be better. Okay, thank you all. I hope you're gonna watch the videos. I hope you're gonna use them. You're gonna tell me what's my problems in my English speaking and in my programming language and programming skills. So thank you. Bye.